Hi, my name is Axel Montaner, and this is another Montaner adventure. Today I'm taking you into the Sage. I want to share this. If you like and or subscribe, more people will see this. Now I'm not doing this so that I can win an Academy Award or to be David Attenborough. I'm doing this to promote a little known part of British Columbia. More people will witness this beautiful part of British Columbia. Let's go. It takes me 8 hours to make a video. It would take you less than 2 seconds to like this video. The more likes we get, the more the YouTube algorithms like it and more people see it, maybe more people will come to this beautiful part of our province. Let's promote British Columbia. It makes me sad that so few people know about this. My new sunglasses. You know, that's what's so amazing about this area in British Columbia. You have all the lakes, and then you have this. Not too many people know this, but Kamloops is the end of the Sonoran Desert that comes all the way up from Sonora, Mexico. It is Canada's only desert, and it ends here in Kamloops. Yay. In the southern interior forest region. Bet you didn't know that. Let's go for a picnic. Wow. Ain't that beautiful? Come explore BC. I wonder if my friend is here. I'll leave a link to the video so you know what I'm talking about. Let's go. Hey Blue! Hey Blue, where are you? Come on, buddy. It's been a while. Blue! He sometimes comes out when I start my picnic. And that looks like a good picnic spot. Maybe he's just being shy. Top to bottom, prosciutto, provolone, crepes stuffed with almond butter and blueberries, cookies and cream keto bar, alioli broccoli, deer pepperoni, and avocado stuffed with bell peppers. And this view. I love it when I go out with my buddies fishing, hunting, and they bring a bag of chips and a bologna sandwich. Good. Hey, my name is Axel Montaner. Hope you enjoyed that. Let's go home. You and me, meant to be.